Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be dropping a hot update for you guys. In today's video you are going to be learning how to claim free Ethereum. I'm serious about it. Free Ethereum, guys. So guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, I don't know what you guys are missing out, what you guys are wasting time about. You guys need to subscribe to this channel because I'm the only one on the internet that brings crazy updates for you guys about free coins, and it is legit. So you guys make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the post notification to get notified anytime I drop another update, guys. So in today's video, before we move to today's video, subscribe guys. I love my 70 subscribers. I'm so happy. Look at the contents. I'm getting positive reviews on my content because it is legit, guys. So you guys will make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we are waiting for tomorrow, hopefully, because tomorrow will be the 7th, will be like a weekly now to trade guys told us to wait for. So hopefully now to trade should be available tomorrow. Now to trade videos, I will make a video about now to trade withdrawal video tomorrow. So you guys subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. So let's move into this video instantly now. So to claim this free Ethereum, what you guys are going to be needing is your Ethereum wallet. So you guys can use Coinbase or Binance or Trust Wallet or anyone you guys like. So to use Coinbase, all you have to do is click on get started. After clicking on get started, you fill in your name, your first name, last name, email, and password, and that's all, guys. And you verify your account, and that's all. You are good to go for this free Ethereum. So right now, the next app we are going to be using before that, let me show you something, guys. So now I went to Trustpilot. As you all know, Trustpilot is a place where people come here and review sites and other stuff. So as you can see, they write review about the site. So for you guys to know that this site I'm going to show you guys today is very, very legit. Their Trustpilot ranking is 4.8 over 5.0, and their excellent review from their users is 91%. That means they pay them every time. They are not the type that take away people's money. No. See, I've been using this website for about a month now, and I can say without a doubt this faucet is one of the best equipped one out there. Air has some features that make it unique, valuable, and distinguishable from the rest. 2 coins rolls every 30 minutes, one for local currency. Can you see guys? See, very nice faucet, one of my favorite faucets. See how to earn. It's cool. I can earn here with short links offer. See guys, so this app and this site that I'm going to show you guys is very, very, very legit. Everybody's just giving it 5 stars. As you can see, this is just 5 days ago. This one is 4 days ago. This one is 3 days ago, guys. This one is 2 days ago. This one is a day ago, guys. This site is legit. It's totally legit. So what you are going to be needing for this video is, let me show you guys. You come to faucetpay.io first. Then you come and create your account. To create account here, all you have to do is just come to this site that says N. Can you see faucet list, offer wall survey? No, that's not what you want to do. The multiply BTC, no, that's not what you want to do. So what you have to do is just come to this faucetpay.io. I'll be leaving the link in the description section below. Exactly. So you come here, you create your account. See, you create a new account. So I have an account already, so I don't want to be wasting my time creating another account. So all you have to do is just come here, click on fill your username, fill your email address, repeat your email address, fill your password, repeat your password, agree to the terms and conditions, and sign up. And that's all you need for this. So the next app, and this is the final app, and this is the app you are going to be using to earn your free Ethereum. The name of the app is this site here. So guys, be careful, don't go to a wrong site. As you can see on this platform, it is rated 4.5 over 5.0, and the country is France, and they speak English, and it has been existing since 2018, guys. So this update is a very is a dope update, so you guys don't miss out on this. Auto faucets, Dutchy space DUTCHY. As you can see, their name is too long. That's why someone is so this is it. Auto faucet Dutchy Corp. So guys, for you to register on this site, you will be redirected to reCAPTCHA So what you have to do is just exactly, so because I have my account already, so I'll fill in my details. So I want to show you guys how you register. This is how you register for this auto faucet. You come here, click on, you fill your detail here. You click on, yeah, you sign in with your Gmail, then you enter your password. I will suggest you guys go for the suggested password. Use suggested password, exactly, because it's stronger. People will not be able to hack you guys. So they say you should look for fire hydrants, So can you guys see? Then you click on sign up. I said earn over 74 cryptocurrencies. As you can see, I already have my own account. So right now, what I want to do is I will log into my account right now. But I'm going to be I will log into my account right now, so you guys will see this, how I log into my account. So let me just come here, then I'll click on login. So guys, when you log into this so this website, this is what you are going to see. You see my name, Murtala Abdul 01. See, my progress is I'm on level 2 right now. And when you after logging in, all you have to do is just select your favorite payment method. So this is why you created a faucetpay.io wallet. It's for you to input the faucetpay.io wallet into this place. So can you see faucet pay mode? Then you select the faucet pay mode. Then you select your multiplier. I suggest you select like multiply by 5. Exactly. So now this will be 2 minutes 3 dochi. So I suggest you select 2 minutes 3 dochi is the best. So now you select the coin in which you want them to pay you with. Me, I selected BNB and Axie, but for this training I'm going to be selecting Ethereum. So where's Ethereum? As you can see, this is Ethereum. So we're going to be selecting Ethereum for this short tutorial. So for you to be able to claim this stuff, what you have to do is just come here and click on this reCAPTCHA. They want to confirm if you are not a robot. So more chocolate. So you click on start auto faucet. So after clicking on start auto faucet, a page will be loaded for you guys to see. For you guys, you are going to see how the auto faucet claiming is going to go through. As you can see, oh, the CAPTCHA didn't go through, but my coin, I selected Ethereum, is still there. So what I will do is now I'm going to come here and click on bald eagle. Smash that like button if you're a bad eagle. So you can see, like right now I have my auto claim token is 43. So it's on power weekend, and my progress to being on level 2 is actually ongoing right now. So they say power weekend 20% for all your claims. So right now my hash is 0 hash every 3 minutes. Your remaining time is 3 minutes. Then you multiply it every time after 3 minutes. So as you can see, the time is, my next payout is after this 92 seconds. So see, 2.643 Ethereum sat was set to my balance. So this is how you view your balance. You come here, then you come to balance or withdrawal. So anytime you claim a coin, it will be sent to your balance automatically. So the reason why I said you guys should create a what do they call it, a Coinbase account, is because this is where you're going to be withdrawing your balance to. So right now, as you can see on my balance, I already started mining some axis. I was giving 0.0066 axis. I didn't really push with that axis. I have BNB too, but let me look for my Ethereum, because I was sent 0.66 ETH sat. So right now, so as you can see, I have 0.002 Ethereum. So what I have to do is I just keep on mining every day. The Ethereum will keep on up. They will keep on adding it every 2 minutes. I'll be getting this 0.02 Ethereum. So before you know it, in like let's say in like a month, you should be able to get like 1 Ethereum or more. So when you want to withdraw, what you have to do is come here and click on withdrawal method. So if you want to use your faucet pay.io, fine, but if you want to use your Coinbase, this is where you are going to input your Coinbase details. So as you can see, you have 0.0002 ETH. So you have to request for the withdrawal, and they will verify you in less than a minute, guys. So when you want to withdraw, here is what you do. You come here, you first of all fill your addresses. After filling the addresses, what you have to do is just come here, click on method of payment. As you can see, there's faucet pay here. Then you can enter the details of the Ethereum, like you enter your Ethereum wallet address on the Ethereum section here, and this is how you enter your Ethereum wallet address. You go to your Ethereum on Binance. Yeah, you can use your Ethereum on BSC. As you can see, these guys are so smart. They don't want you guys to waste your you waste your money on gas fees. So they have Ethereum on Polygon and Ethereum on Smart Chain. So what you have to do is just come here. If you want to get your Ethereum on Smart Chain, come here and select the type of Ethereum you want to withdraw with. So guys, that's all you have to do is just come here and click on your Ethereum address to receive. You copy, then you come here and you paste it here. Just paste it here. So that's all, and you add your wallets. You scroll down, you add the wallet, you update it. Then after when you want to withdraw, you just come here and click on withdraw, and that's all, guys. So guys, I just started doing this right now, and I can see that it's very, very legit because they keep on adding the coins every day. So I will urge you to do it at least for like a month and see what you are going to earn from it. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to get notified anytime I have another update. So guys, I'm done with this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.